It's following me, Mum. The blue ghost's after me.
Salte de la cara de tu hijo.
Wait for it. What a pleasure surprise we got here.
He visto cosas que nunca imaginaría.
Use your face.
Proof that cats can turn into liquid to get food.
Yeah.
What just happened?
Seriously, are you making that face right in front of my salad?
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain, smooth.
To reach a higher place in life, all you need is a little help from your friend. A few peaceful moments before the battle begins. It looks fluffy. I'll just touch it quickly. Oh no, it bit me!
Hello, too.
Never trust cats with your money. Ah yes, the luxury of working from home is to watch the battle between the cotton balls every day. Oh no! Don't fall asleep while eating like that!
Wake up, guys.
This cat.
How to be a gentleman 101.
Oh, that is so sweet. Call me Snow White.
Sometimes a cat, sometimes a guinea pig. Full-time and athletes. Cats now know how to open the doors. Soon they'll conquer the world. Oh! Wait for it. She just won't stop. My cat trying to find me the perfect outfit to go out tonight. No, you can't be the Batman just by putting the mask on your face. How to take up as much space as possible on human's bed. Seems like Cat and Cleaning Robot have understood each other more.
Einstein.
Mum, there are like 10 grammatical errors in your meow. When your house's floor suddenly becomes a dance floor. When your kitty's concerned about the water quality and always have to check first to protect your health. Why are there two humans? One here and one over there. Even a cat will have a bad day and need some alcohol sometimes.
Сейчас еще в рот-то, я не дам тебе пить, ты маленькая, глянь. Да отстань ты. Пипец какой-то. Намура.
Finally, a worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary.
Что ты в этой воде сидишь? Боже, ты.
When it's already midday and your human hasn't given you water yet.
Долей по на расход. Да что же это творится?
The meows meaning, respectfully, are feed me now. No, rub my belly first. Cats can't fly, but their jumping ability has totally made up for it. Walking carefully to prepare for any unexpected situation. Gotta keep my cool. Having a conversation with Cat isn't as hard as you thought. You just need to understand one word. Meow.
Это кто сделал?
Which cat made you laugh the most? What about the funny story of your cat? Share with us. Thank you.
Чем, говорю, штору порвал?